Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Calendar using OAuth for AI scheduling bots step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Calendar using OAuth for AI scheduling bots, begin by setting up a Google Cloud project. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. Select New Project and enter a name for your project. Once the project is created, ensure it's selected in the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, find and click on APIs and Services. Next, click on Library to access the list of available APIs. Search for Google Calendar API in the search bar. Click on the Google Calendar API result, then hit the Enable button. With the API enabled, return to the APIs and Services section. Click on Credentials in the left-hand menu. Choose Create Credentials, then select OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. You will be prompted to configure the consent screen first. Select External if your bot will be used by users outside your organization. Fill in the required fields, such as the application name and user support email. Optionally, add your logo and other details for a better user experience. Once complete, click Save and Continue through the optional Scopes and Test Users sections. After saving, return to the Credentials page. Select Create Credentials again, choosing OAuth 2.0 Client IDs. Choose your application type based on your needs. For most AI bots, web application is suitable. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add the URL where your bot will handle the OAuth response. After that, click Create. Make a note of your client ID and client secret, as you'll need these later. Now that your credentials are ready, proceed to set up OAuth in your code. Use an OAuth client library suitable for your programming language. Install the library by following the package manager instructions. In your code, initialize the client with your client ID and client secret. Set the OAuth 2.0 scopes you want to request. For Google Calendar, use https://www.google.com. Direct users to this URL to obtain their consent. Once the user grants access, they will be redirected back to your specified redirect URI, where you'll receive an authorization code. Use this authorization code to request an access token from Google's token endpoint. Send a post request to the token endpoint with your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.